Hello guys, second project, commerce. Let's run the server. I have 5 models in addition to the user model. Let's see. Categories, comments, listing, watchlist. Let's create a listing. Login as Mia. Create listing. Select a category, computers, and price. The listing is created. On active listing page, you can view all active auction listings. Let's log in as different user, for example George, to place a bid on item. Not enough. Bid is placed. Item owner Mia could close the auction. And the winner is George. Yes, winner is George. Let's add some comments. Could you provide a discount? Users can add the item to their watchlist and remove from watchlist. Let's log in as Henry. Add to watchlist. Add to watchlist. Add to watchlist. Let's remove from watchlist. Remove. These links go to listing page. Let's explore some categories. Cell phones. Oh, sorry. Categories: cell phones, computers, consumer electronics. Consumer electronics. Django admin interface also works. Thank you for watching.